Versatile and easy to use KITCHENDA 3-in-1 herb chopper mincer roller cutter slicer. Designed for speed, comfort, and precision, this multifunctional kitchen gadget helps you chop, mince, slice, strip, and scrape herbs and vegetables effortlessly. Whether you're preparing fresh parsley, cilantro, basil, mint, green onions, or garlic, versatile chopper, masher, and crusher, garlic press and peeler set. The perfect all-in-one tool for fast, effortless food prep. Designed for modern kitchens, this convenient gadget helps you crush, mince, dice, slice, and mash garlic in seconds while keeping your hands clean and odor-free. Whether you're preparing garlic paste, slicing vegetables, or chopping small ingredients, this multifunctional kitchen tool saves time and makes cooking easier than ever. Made with durable, high-quality materials and sharp stainless steel blades, this garlic press set delivers smooth performance and long-lasting use. The ergonomic design, garlic ginger twister chopper set, multifunctional handheld kitchen tool make food prep faster, cleaner, and easier with the versatile garlic ginger twister chopper set. Designed for everyday kitchen convenience, this compact handheld mincer helps you crush and chop garlic, ginger, nuts, herbs, chilies, and more in seconds. Your kitchen prep with the versatile adjustable depth squid flour knife set. Designed for precision cutting and creative food presentation, this all-in-one kitchen gadget makes slicing, shredding, crushing, and decorative cutting faster and easier than ever. Perfect for onions, garlic, vegetables, squid, and more. This tool helps you create restaurant-style cuts right at home. Crafted with durable stainless steel blades and an ergonomic handle, the adjustable depth design allows you to control cutting thickness with accuracy. Whether you're making squid flower patterns, shredding vegetables, slicing onions, or crushing garlic, this multifunctional kitchen tool saves time while delivering professional results. Features: adjustable cutting depth for customized slicing, sharp stainless steel blades for precise cuts ideal for squid flower cutting, onions, garlic, and vegetables, multifunction design, slicer, shredder, crusher, and cutter, comfortable anti-slip grip for safe handling, easy to clean and reusable, compact and lightweight kitchen. The powerful and compact manual food chopper, the perfect tool for fast, effortless chopping and mincing. Designed with 3 sharp stainless steel blades, this hand-press food chopper quickly cuts garlic, onions, chilies, nuts, herbs, and vegetables in seconds. Its BPA-free food-grade container keeps ingredients safe while providing a mess-free cooking experience. The easy hand-press mechanism saves time and reduces effort compared to traditional chopping methods. Compact, lightweight, and easy to clean, this kitchen gadget is ideal for everyday cooking. Make kitchen prep faster and easier with this powerful 50W electric grape peeler and fruit skin remover. Designed for convenience, this rechargeable automatic peeler quickly removes the skin from grapes, tomatoes, garlic, and other small fruits or vegetables with minimal effort. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for everyday cooking, meal prep, and healthy snack preparation. The sharp yet gentle peeling system helps preserve the shape and freshness of your ingredients while saving you time in the kitchen. With cordless rechargeable operation, you can use it anywhere without dealing with messy cables. Ideal for home cooks, busy kitchens, and anyone who loves smart kitchen gadgets. Features: 50W powerful motor for fast peeling, rechargeable cordless design, perfect for grapes, tomatoes, garlic, and small fruits, easy one-button operation, compact, portable. This garlic slicer, removable, easy to clean, quick chopper, designed for fast, effortless, and precise slicing every time. Built for convenience, make harvesting and peeling faster, safer, and easier with this innovative thumb knife vegetable picking tool. Designed for gardening lovers, farmers, and home cooks, this handy finger-mounted cutter helps you quickly pick peppers, beans, make kitchen prep faster, cleaner, and more fun with this 2-in-1 crab claws garlic peeler and ginger scraper. Designed with a smart ergonomic crab claw grip, this handy tool lets you peel garlic skins effortlessly and scrape ginger in seconds without messy hands or lingering odors. The built-in magnetic suction design allows easy storage on metal surfaces like refrigerators or racks, keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Its dual-function handle works as both a garlic peeler and stem remover, making it a must-have everyday kitchen gadget for quick meal preparation. Made from durable, food-safe material, it is lightweight, easy to clean, and comfortable to hold. Whether you're cooking at home or preparing large meals, this tool saves time and adds convenience to your cooking routine. Key features: 2-in-1 garlic peeler and ginger scraper crab claw design for easy grip and fast peeling, magnetic suction for convenient storage, removes garlic stems quickly and cleanly, reduces garlic smell on hands, durable, lightweight, and easy to wash. A simple yet smart kitchen helper that makes peeling garlic and ginger effortless every time. Stainless steel garlic press and rocker set, a must-have tool for every modern cook. Designed for convenience, durability, and efficiency, this all-in-one garlic. The versatile manual garlic press and mincer, the perfect all-in-one tool for every home chef. Crush garlic, mince ginger, slice vegetables, peel fruits, and prep ingredients faster with less effort. Designed with durable materials and an ergonomic grip, this compact kitchen gadget saves time while keeping your hands clean and odor-free. Whether you're cooking everyday meals or preparing special dishes, this handy kitchen utensil makes chopping and crushing quick, easy, and mess-free. Its lightweight and portable design fits perfectly in any kitchen drawer, making it a must-have gadget for modern kitchens. Sparkles features: easy manual garlic pressing and mincing, perfect for garlic, ginger, vegetables and fruits, sharp slicing and peeling function, comfortable non-slip grip, compact, lightweight and easy to clean. This adjustable folding knife cutter tool, a smart and compact gadget designed for quick, precise slicing and cutting, featuring a sharp stainless steel serrated blade with a durable wooden handle. This innovative folding design makes it easy to store, carry, and use anywhere. Perfect for cutting vegetables, fruits, bread, meat, and more with better control and safety. Its sturdy adjustable frame provides stability while cutting, making food preparation faster and more efficient. Whether you're cooking at home, camping outdoors, or creating kitchen content, this multi-purpose cutter is a must-have gadget for every kitchen lover. Sharp stainless steel blade, ergonomic wooden handle. The set includes a garlic press, garlic and ginger peeler, and a cleaning brush for easy maintenance. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, making crushing smooth and efficient with minimal effort. Upgrade your kitchen routine with this powerful 509 of a mega-liter manual garlic chopper and food cutter, the perfect kitchen gadget for fast, effortless food prep. Think peeling garlic has to be annoying? Think again. If you're tired of broken nails, sticky fingers, and that stubborn garlic smell staying on your hands for hours, or even days, then you need to try this simple garlic peeling trick. Once you see how easy it is, you'll never go back to peeling garlic the old way again. In today's video, I'm showing you the smartest and fastest way to peel garlic cloves with almost no effort. No stress, no mess, and no wasting time in the kitchen. This hack is perfect for anyone who cooks regularly and wants meal prep to feel quicker, cleaner, and more satisfying. Whether you're making curry, pasta, fried rice, sauces, soups, or your favorite homemade recipes, garlic is essential. But peeling it doesn't have to be a struggle anymore. Why you'll love this hack. Saves time in the kitchen, no more sore or damaged nails, less garlic smell on your hands, super easy and beginner friendly, makes cooking faster and more fun, perfect for home cooks and food lovers. This is one of those "why didn't I know this sooner" kitchen tricks that instantly makes life easier. Once you try it, you'll want to show everyone you know. Tired of struggling with sticky garlic skins, sore nails, and that strong garlic smell that just won't leave your hands? You're not alone. In this video, I'm sharing the right way to peel garlic, fast, easy, and mess-free. No more wasting time picking at tiny cloves or dealing with garlic odor all day. This simple kitchen hack will completely change the way you prep garlic for cooking. Whether you cook every day or just love trying smart kitchen tricks, this method is a total game changer. Perfect for busy moms, home cooks, food lovers, and anyone who wants cooking to feel easier and more fun. Watch till the end to see the easiest garlic peeling method, how to avoid sore nails while cooking, a quick trick to remove garlic smell from your hands, time-saving kitchen hacks. Everyone should know satisfying food prep moments. You'll want to try instantly if you love clever kitchen gadgets, cooking tips, cleaning hacks, and viral food tricks. This channel is for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart home and kitchen ideas every week. Tell me in the comments, what kitchen task do you hate the most?